Disabling two-factor authentication on Hopper can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off this security feature. Step 1. Open the Hopper app. Launch the Hopper app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the app. Look for the option labeled Account or Settings. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Within the account settings, locate the section for security or privacy settings. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication preferences. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Select it to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm your changes. After disabling the feature, you may be prompted to confirm your choice. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the process. You might need to enter your password or other verification details. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Hopper account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.